Let's play a little just between you and I. I'll be honest, gotta use your mind. We can be cops and robbers, Tarzan and Jane, Marilyn and Robert. But either way, the objective is the same: to please and entertain. Baby, my vixen, my better be a stain. We'll get the spotlight all night. Check every time we play. You will be my vixen as we improvise. Bring a captivating performance every time. Why not be reactive? Pull out all the stops. You can pick the scene if I can pick the props. You love our classroom, my office, masquerade expert on office. We can play the objective is the same: to please and entertain. My vixen, my better be a stain. We'll get the spotlight all night. Check every time we play. You will be my vixen as we improvise. Bring a captivating performance every time.
Yeah. I couldn't get a bill paid, you couldn't buy the real thing. I was staying up at your place, trying to figure out the whole thing. I saw people doing things, almost gave up on the music thing. But we all so spoiled now, more life, more everything. Must've never had your phone tapped, all that yapping on the phone shit. You must really love the road life, all that never coming home shit. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. John Rose toes, hitting hills where I pose. I start my day slow, silk pajamas when I wake though. Mirror vow to the face though. I drunk text J-Lo, old number so it bounced back. Boy, one that got to bounce back. Used to get paid for shows in front door, money 5, 10, 20s, hand sanitized. After you count that, me and Gibbo was about that. Eating Applebee's and Outback, Southwest no first class. Hilton rooms gotta double up, writing our name on a double cup. We ain't even have a tour bus, girls wouldn't even think of recording me. I fall asleep in sorority, I had some different priorities. Weezy had all the authority, women I like was ignoring me. Now they like, aren't you adorable? I know the question rhetorical, I took the team play from Oracle. Mama never used to cook much, used to chef KD. Now me and Chef KD, bet on shop for 20 G's. I brought the game to his knees. I ain't make too much these days to ever say poor me. Where you at, I never see. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Niggas move so waste. Please come outside the house and show yourself so I can say it to your face. It's bound to happen, man, it's gotta happen now, so let's just get it out the way. A lot of niggas going bad on me, please, one at a time. I wanna move to Dubai, so I don't ever had to kick it with none of you guys. I didn't listen to Hov on that old song when he told me pay it no mind. I get more satisfaction out of going at your head and seeing all of you die. And I seen a lot of you die. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Hitting hills where I pose, yeah. Yeah, you already know, yeah. I'm the troublemaker in the neighborhood, far as troublemaking goes, yeah. House party of the road, yeah. I'm not kidding, play. This kid doesn't play about the flow, yeah. Y'all keep playing with your nose, yeah. You get high and do the most, yeah. How you let the kid fight and ghost writing rumors turn you to a ghost? Oh, you niggas got jokes. Free smoke, free smoke.
Find me jump right off the curb. Make this first fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young, I'm the one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pause and serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the beat with P-Lady. QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through 1,000,000. I rock with her really, let's fuck on 1,000,000,000. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see them whole precision. Givers my only decision. Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Make this right fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge.
Fuck you, hey. Fuck you, hey.
Tell me if you still love it. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. Then again, I could be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll a dice since I pick. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Oh yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you been fighting for your shot, and you been searching for your spot. Girl, I feel it. Yeah, girl, I feel it. Yeah, but you think you got your groove, but you want someone like you. Tell me if you still love. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before. Before I had you right in some. And again, I can be drunk.
Yeah, I know, mommy, I know. It's 2 a.m., no stress. At 3, that bullshit kick in. At 30, you feel your best. I turn my whole spot to crucial. It's crucial the way I left. But this is like a low. I know it just be the best.
I'm looking at her, and her starting to turn into you. Now you starting to fuck up my mind. Is it you, is it her?
We probably trapped to the birds. M29 is my address in case you ain't heard. It's flooding upstairs, it's elite. I don't make it squeak, I make this shit beat. Bon appetit when I feast.
Sleeping this slide through the streets. It takes a finesse, especially this cabaret cheap. Engine make it hard to creep. Just leave the gate open. Notice I know I'm a creep. Are you about to rail? And all that gets down to the sleep. And are you obsessed by yourself? A minute from there, is this a room for me? Baby, do tell. Tell me if you still love. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for Nadula hair and I'm reviewing this bomb Yaky straights. Yes, girl, it's a Yaky straight. This is a closure unit and I am in love with this. Like, from the moment that I unboxed this, I already knew. I already knew what it was gonna give. I already knew that I would like it. And I want to say like last year, probably, I want to say either last year or early this year is when I kind of got into like the Yaky straight hair, because for a long time like I really wasn't into it, but like now this is like one of my personal favorites, because you guys know typically I'm like a curly hair type of girl, but when I want to wear my hair straight, this is definitely a go-to. For one, I love the fact that it mimics like our hair, you know what I'm saying? Like if you were to like flat iron your natural hair, this would go perfect with it. I came closer just so y'all could see the actual texture of it. It's still silky, but you can still see it has like some type of texture to it. Same thing on this side. Like it just looks like our hair flat ironed out. But this is an up close look at it. Like the lace and everything is bomb, okay? I love the way that it's pre-plucked, and I like the fact that the knots are bleached as well. Like it's just a win-win-win across the board. And the actual texture itself, look how silky straight this is. There's no frizzing up anywhere whatsoever. And that's one thing that I hate when I have like other straight textures, like a unit that's just like already straight. A lot of times, I don't know what it is, but it gets frizzy in the back. Like you'll be doing your thing throughout the day, and then your friend like kind of helps you with your hair because it's like starting to frizz up. And that's one reason why I like to wear curly units, because I don't have to worry about like my hair frizzing up. If it frizzes up, like it's okay because it's curly hair. You get what I'm saying? If it's frizzing up, it's nothing to just spray some water on it and now it's tamed for the next however long. Or if I want to put curly hair products on it, I don't have to worry about it looking frizzy. But with a lot of straight hair, a lot of times it just gives frizzy, and no matter what, like when you move your hair around, this right here, I could flip it back, flip it forward. There's no frizziness. Same thing, flip it back, flip it forward, no frizziness. You get what I'm saying? Like it might get stuck to my lip gloss, but like girl, it's just like I love that about this particular texture, because I know a lot of people like shy away from Yaky hair. When they hear the word Yaky, they're like, oh, never mind. But I'm here to let y'all know, like Yaky hair is literally so bomb. I like the fact that it just lays so flat. It's not like bulky or weird, because some units when I get them and they are like a closure unit, I don't know what it is, but it gets like weird at the top right here where it's just like, I don't know how they sewed it or something that makes it lumpy, and I don't like that. But this one is just like super flat, didn't give me any issues. I also like the construction of it in general. It has an elastic band that you can take out or you can keep it in there, and it also has the adjustable straps in the back, and it has a really long comb as well. So it's just like all the security that you need for your unit is in this unit. And this is a glueless install. I did not have to use anything to adhere this unit, and that's a plus as well, because we love a good unit that we could just put on and take off and it's good to go. And y'all saw like when I first put it on, like what it was giving. Like when I first put the unit on, it was already giving scalp, it was already giving laid, like it needed to be flat ironed a little bit, and that was pretty much it. And then because this hair is so long, you don't have to worry about like flat ironing your hair every single day, because this hair is just like that kind of hair that stays straight. You could curl it and stuff like that, and the curls are gonna last on it as well, but it's because of this particular texture. It just holds whatever you put it in. If you put crimps in it, it's gonna keep the crimps. If you want it to be straight, it's gonna stay straight. If you want it to have curls, everything is gonna last for several days at a time. You don't have to worry about like touching up your hair every single day. So love that about this unit. I believe that this is a 24-inch, by the way. I will stand up in just a moment just so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me, and for reference, I'm 5'2". So this is where the hair is hitting on me in the front. This is what it's giving. Okay, let me fix my chain. This is what it's giving in the front. Has a beautiful flow to it. You know, no matter what, it's not getting stiff. You're gonna slide all that hair to the back. Period. Just silky and bomb. The flow to it, it's just bomb. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, if y'all looking for some bomb like straight hair, this is the way to go. you already see what it's giving. Like, you don't even need to keep a comb with you all day, because sometimes with certain units, like I have to have a brush or a comb with me, like in my purse, in my car, or something. Like if I'm with a guy, I'm always asking him like, can you hold my brush? Can you give me my brush? Like, you know what I'm saying? So I can keep my hair like laid. But right here, girl, this hair is just laid all day. Y'all see I got these long nails. Girl, you can use your nails to run through and comb this hair. It's just like, it's not giving no type of issues. Like, just look at that. Like, are you serious? Like, hello? What happened? Yeah, this is one of those. So yeah, if you guys are interested and you want to check this unit out for yourself, I will have a direct link for this down below along with all the details. If there was something that I missed and you still have a question, drop a comment and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Shout out to Nadula once again for sponsoring today's video and sending over my new favorite unit, because I will be wearing this. Like, I'm not getting this one up. This is mine to keep. That's how you know I love it. So if you want to get you one, you better get you one at the link below, because this is staying right here with me, okay? Period. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.